Welcome to Scholanetz. Please like and subscribe to learn math with easy and step-by-step explanations.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will learn how we can order and compare the fractions. That is ordering and comparing fractions. So let's go started. When we talk about ordering and comparing of fractions, there are three types. The first type is fractions with the same denominators. So if the fraction have the same denominators, so how we can compare that fraction? We have to compare the numerator. So if the fraction have the same denominators, we have to compare the numerators. And bigger the numerator, bigger the fraction. Bigger the numerator, bigger fraction. Always remember, okay? So if the fraction has the same denominators, how we can order and compare? We have to look at the numerators, and bigger the numerator, bigger the fraction. For example, 3 over 8 versus 5 over 8. Here the denominators are same, 8 and 8. Then we have to look at the numerator. In the first fraction, numerator is 3, and in the second fraction, the numerator is 5. And 5 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 3. It means 5 over 8 is greater than 3 over 8. Understand? So if the fraction has the same denominator, how we can order it? We have to look at the numerators, and bigger the numerator, bigger the fraction. Understand? Now we will see the another type. The second type is fraction with the same numerators. In the first one, it was the same denominators. Here, it is same numerator. So, if the fractions have the same numerator, how we can compare and order? We have to compare the denominators. Understand? In the first one, the same denominator, we will comparing the numerators. Now, here, it is the same numerator, so we have to compare the denominators, and it says smaller the denominator, bigger the fraction. Understand? Smaller the denominator, bigger the fraction. In the first one, bigger the numerator, bigger the fraction. But here, if the numerators are same, then smaller the denominator, bigger the fraction. For example, 1 over 4 versus 1 over 7. And we have to compare and find it out which fraction is bigger. Here, both fraction have the same numerators. So we have to compare the denominator. Here it is 4 and here it is 7. And what it says? It says smaller the denominator, bigger the fraction. And 4 is smaller than 7. It means 1 over 4 is greater than 1 over 7. Because smaller the denominator, bigger the fraction. Why it happens here? Because just take a pizza, okay? And this pizza you cut into 4 equal slices. And take another pizza and cut this pizza into 8 equal pieces. Now compare the one piece of each pizza. This is the one slice, and this is the one slice for another pizza. Can you see which one is bigger? This one is bigger slice. Less cut, bigger slice. More cut, smaller slice. Understand? That's why if the numerators are same, we have to compare the denominators, and smaller the denominator, bigger the fraction. I hope you understand this one as well. Now let's go and check the third one. The third one says fractions with different numerators and denominators. Here, both numerators and denominators are different. In the first one, denominators were same. In the second one, numerators were same. And now it says fraction with the different numerators and different denominators. So if the fraction has the different numerators and denominators, so how we can order and compare? Then we have to use the cross multiplication. For example, 3 over 5 versus 2 over 3. And we have to find out which fraction is greater. So what we have to do? We have to use the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means this will be multiplied with this and this will be multiplied with this. 3 will be multiplied with 3. 3 times 3, it will be 9. And 2 will be multiplied with 5. It will be 10. Now we will compare which digit is greater. And 10 is greater than 9. It means the 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. It means 2 over 3 is greater than 3 over 5. Okay. So when the numerators and denominators are different, then we have to crisscross multiply to compare. We have to use the crisscross method to multiply. We have to use the cross multiplication. It says criss cross multiply to compare. Okay. And we have to this numerator, the first fractions numerator will be multiplied with the denominator of the second fraction, and the second fraction numerator will be multiplied with the denominator of the first fraction. Okay. Then we have to compare the digit what we got after multiplication, and then we have to see which one is greater, and then we can find it out which fraction is greater. Understand? It's clear all the three things. First was the same denominator, then we have to compare the numerator, and bigger the numerator, bigger the fraction. The second one is same numerators, then we have to compare the denominators. Smaller the denominator, bigger the fraction. The third point is fraction with different numerators and denominator. Then we have to use the cross multiplication method. Then after multiplying, then we have to see which digit is greater. Greater digit means that fraction will be greater. Now we will take the ordering questions, how we can order the fractions from smallest to greater and greater to smallest. So when we are ordering the fractions from smallest to greater or greater to smallest, we have to first compare two fractions at a time. Okay. If there are so many fractions, for example, 1 over 3, 3 over 2, 6 over 5, 1 over 2, 1 over 4. So what we have to do? First, we have to compare the two fractions at a time. These two first we have to compare, then these two we have to compare, then means at a time you can compare two fractions. And it says use one of the tricks above. I told you the three tricks. First with the same numerator, same denominator. Second was the same numerator, and the third was the different numerator and denominator. So according to the question, you have to use one of the tricks. And it says arrange them according to the question asked. What the question is asking, whether it is asking about the smallest to greatest or greatest to smallest. According to that, you have to arrange your answer. Now let's go solve some of the questions. Here comes the first question. Question number 1. 1 over 8, 5 over 8, 3 over 8. And it says we have to order smallest to greatest. Smallest to greatest. Here, what you can see? 8 here, 8 here, 8 here. It means all the fractions are having same denominator. So in the first one, it says if the denominators are same, then we have to compare the numerators. And bigger the numerator, bigger the fraction. And here we have to arrange from smallest to greatest. So first compare these two, 1 over 8 and 5 over 8. 1 is smaller than 5. It means 1 over 8 is the smallest. Then we have to compare 1 over 8, then 1 over 3 over 8. And 1 is again smaller than 3. It means 1 over 8 is the smallest fraction. Then we have to compare these two. 3 is smaller than 5. Means the next one will be 3 over 8 and the last one will be 5 over 8. This will be our answer. Okay, understand? Now take another question. Says 1 over 2, 1 over 5, 1 over 9. And the same we have to do arrange it according to the smallest to greatest. And here 1 over 2, 1 over 5, 1 over 9, 1, 1, 1. The numerators are same. Here comes the second point, where it says if you have the same numerator, then you have to compare the denominator. And smaller the denominator, bigger the fraction. Always remember, here if the denominator are same, then numerator, you have to compare the numerator, bigger the value. But if you have the same numerator, then you have to compare the denominator, and smaller the denominator, greater the fraction. And we have to arrange smallest to greatest. So which one will be the smallest? Here is a 2, here is a 5, here is a 9. 2 and 5. 2 is smaller than 5. It means denominator is smaller. So it means this fraction is the greatest. And 1 over 9. 9 is the biggest number here. It means 9 will be the smallest fraction. Now 5 and 2. 5 is greater than 2. It means 1 over 5 will be the smallest fraction. Then 1 over 2 will be the greatest fraction. So this will be our answer. Now take the question number 3. 7 over 10, 2 over 10, 9 over 10. Here the denominators are same. So we have to look at the numerators. So which one is the bigger? 9. Bigger the numerator, bigger the fraction. Then comes the 7. And which one is the smallest? 2. It means 2 is the smallest fraction. Then comes the 7 over 10, comes the 9 over 10. This is the answer. Question number 4 says 3 over 4, 3 over 10, 3 over 8. Here the numerators are same. So we have to look at the denominators. 4, 10, 8. 4 is the smallest. It means this one is the greatest fraction. And 10 is the bigger number. So bigger the denominator, smaller the fraction. Smaller is the denominator, bigger the fraction. So 10, 3 over 10 will be the smallest fraction. Then comes the 3 over 8, then 3 over 4. Okay. Let's solve more questions. Question number 5. 3 over 4, 2 over 3, 5 over 6. Now here, 3, 2, 5. Numerators are different. 4, 3, 6. Denominators are also different. So here comes the third type, where it says if the numerators and denominators are different, then what we have to do? We have to use the cross multiplication. And when we are ordering the fraction, we have to first compare the two fractions together at a time. So first these two we will take. 3 over 4 versus 2 over 3, and we use the cross multiplication. 3 times 3, it will be 9. 2 times 4, it will be 8. And 9 is greater than 8. It means 3 over 4 is greater than 2 over 3. Now we find which one is the greatest. Here again we are doing with the smallest to greatest. It means 3 over 4 is greater than 2 over 3. Now we have to see whether 3 over 4 is greater than 5 over 6 or not. So 3 over 4 versus 5 over 6. Because these two we already know that 3 by 4 is greater than 2 over 3. Now 3 times 6, it will be 18. 4 times 5, it will be 20. 5 times 4, because numerator will be multiplied with denominator. And 20 is greater than 18. It means 5 over 6 is greater than 3 over 4. Now what we got? We got here that 5 over 6 is greater than 3 over 4, and 3 over 4 was greater than 2 over 3. So 5 over 6 will be greater than 3 over 2 over 3, because 3 over 4 is greater than 2 over 3. So how we can arrange our answer? The smallest to greatest. So this one we got the smallest. 2 over 3, then 3 over 4, then the greatest will be 5 over 6. This will be our final answer. I hope till now it's clear to everyone. Now till now we did smallest to greatest. Now we will take the question where it says we have to arrange it from greatest to smallest. Greatest to smallest. This take question number 1. I'm taking any random question, okay? 5 over 9, 4 over 7, 6 over 11. And here, first we have to see which type we have to use it. 5, 4, 6. Different numerators. 7, 9, 7, 11. Different denominators. So we have to use the third type, where the numerators and denominator were different. So we have to first compare these two. 5 over 9 versus 4 over 7. We have to use the cross multiplication. 5 times 7 will be 35. 4 times 9 will be 36. And 36 is greater than 35. It means 4 over 7 will be greater than 5 over 9. Now we will see whether 4 over 7 is greater than 6 over 11 or not. 4 over 7 versus 6 over 11. 4 times 11 will be 44. 6 times 7 will be 42. And 44 is greater than 42. It means 4 over 7 is greater than 6 over 11. Now here we got 4 over 7 is greater than 5 over 9 also, and 6 over 11 also. So for the 4 over 7 will be the greatest fraction. Now we have to compare 5 over 9 and 6 over 9 and to find out which one is greater between these two. So 5 over 9 versus 6 over 11. 5 times 11 will be 55 and 6 times 9 will be 54 and 55 is greater than 54. So we got our second highest fraction, that is 5 over 9. So first one was 4 over 7 and the second greatest will be 5 over 9 and the smallest will be 6 over 11. And we have to arrange from greatest to smallest. This one is the greatest, then the second greatest, and this is the smallest. This is our final answer. Understand? First you have to compare the first two and then find out which one is greatest, then compare with the another one, and like that you can find it out. Take another question. Question number 2. 2 over 7, 2 over 5, and 2 over 9. Here also we are arranging from greatest to smallest. So here 2, 2, 2. It means it has the same numerator and different denominator. So we have to, here comes the second type of, second rules or the second types, where the numerator was same and the denominator was different, and we have to look at the denominator. And smaller the denominator, bigger the fraction. 5 is smaller than 9 and 7. It means 2 over 5 is the biggest fraction. Then 7 is smaller than 9. It means 2 over 7 is the second greatest fraction and 2 over 9 will be the smallest fraction. Take question number 3. 3 over 12, 10 over 12, and 6 over 12. Here the denominators are same and numerators are different. And greater the numerator, greater the fraction. So 10 is greater than 6 and 3. It means the bigger fraction will be 10 over 12. And 6 is greater than 3. It means 6 over 12 will come next. And 3 over 12 will be the smallest fraction. Understand? Take another question. Says 11 over 20, 9 over 18, 10 over 19. And here the numerators are different as well as the denominators are also different. So both numerators and denominators are different. So we have to use the crisscross multiplication. This 11 over 20. First we have to compare these two. This is 9 over 18. We have to multiply 11 times 18. It will be 198. And 9 times 20. It will be 180. And 198 is greater than 180. It means 11 over 20 will be greater than 9 over 18. Now we have to see whether 9 over 20 is greater than 10 over 19 or not. So 11 over 20 versus 10 over 19. 11 times 19, it will be 209. Then 10 times 20, it will be 200. And 209 is greater than 200. It means 11 over 20 is greater than 10 over 19. Now we got that 11 over 20 is greatest than 9 over 10 also, and 9 over 18 also, and 10 over 19 also. It means our greater fraction will be 11 over 20. Now we have to find whether 9 over 18 is the second largest fraction or 10 over 19. Compare 9 over 18 versus 10 over 19. 9 times 19 will be 171, and 10 times 18 will be 180, and 180 is greater than 171. It means 9 over 18 is smaller than 10 over 19. It means 10 over 19 will be our second largest fraction. The uh, um, first largest fraction was 11 over 20, and the second largest will be 10 over 19, and the smallest will be 9 over 18, because we are arranging from greatest to smallest. This will be our final answer. Understand? Hope it's clear to everyone how we can order the fraction. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing ordering and comparing fraction. In the next video, we will take another fraction topics. Till then, keep practicing. Bye.